Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity as your assistant. Perplexity is a powerful AI tool that can help you find answers to virtually any question you have, making research and information gathering incredibly efficient. Let's walk through how to get started and make the most of this platform. First, open your web browser and head over to perplexity.ai. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in with your credentials. Simply enter your login information to access your account. This step ensures that your search history and preferences are saved for future sessions. After logging in, you'll be directed to the main interface where you'll see a chat input box right in the center of the page. This is where the magic happens. In this input box, type a natural question just as you would ask a person. For example, you might type something like, "What are the benefits of green tea?" The beauty of Perplexity is that you don't need to worry about formatting your question perfectly. Just ask naturally. Once you've typed your question, press enter on your keyboard or click the submit button to proceed. This sends your query to Perplexity's AI assistant. Now, you'll need to wait for a few seconds while the system generates a response to your prompt. The AI is analyzing your question and pulling together relevant information from various sources to provide you with a comprehensive answer. When your answer appears, you might want to dig deeper or clarify something. If you want to follow up on your question, you can simply type in the text field again with your additional query. Alternatively, Perplexity often provides suggested keywords or related topics you can click on. These suggestions are designed to help you explore the subject further without having to think of your next question. Now, let's say you found an answer that's particularly useful and you want to save it. At the bottom of the answer, you'll see a copy button. Click this to copy the entire response to your clipboard, making it easy to paste into a document or share with others. If you need to save the information in a more formal format, click the download button. This will give you options to select your preferred file format, whether that's PDF, Markdown, or DOCX. Choose the format that best suits your needs, and the answer will be downloaded to your device. And there you have it. You now know how to use Perplexity as your personal AI assistant to get quick, reliable answers to your questions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.